Multiplying brackets containing surds. In tutorials 6.3 and 6.4 we discussed the 8 special algebraic identities that help us factorize or simplify various expressions. All those identities are also useful when dealing with surds, especially the first 3 of them, i.e. we have the following as shown on screen. We also have the following shown on screen. The third special identity is particularly useful as it allows us getting rid of surds immediately, without the need for further operations. For example, we have the following shown on screen. We can get rid of roots quickly, i.e. we have the following as shown on screen. However, the first 2 special algebraic identities are also useful as if we have, let's say, the sum or difference of 2 surds raised in the second power, the result will contain a single surd. For example, we have the following shown on screen. The rest of algebraic identities are also useful in some situations. For example, the expression we have the following shown on screen. This is the simplified form, we have the following shown on screen. Because given the fourth algebraic identity a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cubed, we can write the following shown on screen. Example. Write the following expressions in the simplest form. A. 3 minus square root of 7, 3 plus square root of 7. B. Square root of 6 minus 1, squared plus, square root of 2 plus square root of 3, squared. Solution. A. Applying the formula of the third special algebraic identity, yields, we have the following shown on screen. B. Combining the formulae of the first 2 special algebraic identities yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.5.1. To continue this tutorial please watch 7.5.2, Rationalizing the Denominator. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.